Hey everybody, Michael Anthony Fitness here, MAF GigEcon. And we today have a challenge we're doing this weekend. Now, the challenge is simple. If you do 20 orders between Friday at 4 p.m. to Monday morning at 4 p.m., you'll get a bonus. And it starts from there. You can go all the way up to 80 deliveries if you think you can get 80 deliveries by the end of the weekend. Now, if you do 20, you'll get 35 extra dollars, which is $1.75 per order, which is good. Also, if you do 10 more, you'll get another 20 on top of that, which is actually still pretty good. All the way up to 80, where if you can do 80 deliveries, you'll get $225 extra in bonus for this quest. Now, this quest, you have to pick which one you want to do. I started with the 20 minimum deliveries just to see how it works. I got my first delivery with McDonald's for $7.54. And I also picked up a Instacart delivery for $34. Now, the good thing is both orders were near the store. I had to go to Giant. The first order was only less than 2 miles away. The McDonald's order was only less than a mile from the store. I picked up McDonald's first, rushed over here to Giant, got that order, and I am done with those two. Now I'm going to turn on the Uber app and see what other orders we can get. I also have to drop off some packages as well. So I'm going to do that as well as getting orders. Now my goal today is to get a minimum of 10 Uber orders today. Now if I can get more than 10 today, then I'll go for the 30 orders and get that 55 extra bonus, because that's the equivalent of doing a 2-hour VHO route this weekend. And I think I can get to 30, but we shall see. So I'll catch up with y'all when I get my next Uber order. So right after I turn on the Uber app, I get another order from Potbelly. The total miles from where I am to the restaurant to the final location is over 7 miles for $7.55, but 5.3 miles of it is me driving to the restaurant. So it's actually pretty good. So I'm making over. So it's about 2 miles. So really, I'm making almost $4, less than $4 a mile. If I was on another platform, that's actually pretty good. So I'm going to pick that up, deliver it, and we'll get on to the next one. And then I'll be 2 towards the bonus. So I just got my next 2 orders now. It's only $10.54 for the order. Now it could be more on the back end of it once I deliver the 2 items, but that puts me at 4 deliveries, which I need 10 today to keep pace to get that 20 or 30 by the end of the weekend to get the extra bonus money. So I'm going to pick those 2 orders up, and we'll see what else we can get to today. order, it was a double with that, and the second part of that double was an add-on. So the add-on was Popeyes for $5.81 was the add-on, and then I got in the back the picked up from an Asian restaurant for $5 something for the order. Pretty good. I'm at 6. I need 4 more, and then I could be done for a day if I choose to, or I can keep delivering until 5 o'clock. I want to stop at 5, so that's when I'll be done. The good thing is in 2 hours, if I'm getting 2 orders per hour, I could be done in 2 hours. So I just got another order. It's less than I would liking to take, but it'll get me to that number 7. So it's from the Curry House. It was $3.40 for the order. It'll give me that 7th order. Just need 3 more after this one, and then I can head home. They sent me some crappy orders. Just crappy orders. They had one for like 5 something for almost 15 miles. I'm not making nothing on that order. Even though I'll get some on the back end with the bonus, but it's like I'm not making nothing on that order. It's ridiculous. So I was like, I'll take this one. It's not that much further. It's only 4 miles and some change. Killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Got this order and delivered all the packages that needed to be delivered to the UPS store. So those are going to get shipped out to the customers. So, hey, it's not too bad.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
So I'm about to go get the 8th order from Taco Bonanza. The order in other circumstances would be trash. It's about 5 something going 9 miles and 9.5 miles roughly. So I mean it's an okay order, but it's number 8 towards the bonus. So why complain? I mean it is going in the direction I need to go, going towards home. So why even complain? So I'm gonna pick that up and I'll catch up with y'all when I get the next orders. So I got the next order as I was delivering this one from Five Guys for $9.69. Actually a pretty good order. Really good order. So I'm going to go pick that up. And we just need 1 more order. And we're halfway to the first goal of 20. Now my plan is if I'm able to get a double, I'm going to do that double and then call it a day. So that way tomorrow all I need is a minimum of 9 and then try to get at least 15. So that way I can be closer to that 30. And then Sunday, I don't have to do as much work on Sunday. Because Sunday all I need to do is get the remainder of whatever I didn't complete on Saturday to get that 30. Then Monday I'm going to get a route. So this is perfect. All I need is a minimum of 1. If I can get a double or 2 before 5, I mean I'm close to home. It's a winner. There'll be 1 less I got to do tomorrow towards the bonus. But I'll catch up with y'all after I get this delivery. So I got another order from Chipotle. Now it's only a $2 order, but it'll get me to that 10 orders I need towards the bonus to get to 20. So I mean $2 under normal circumstances I would not take this order, but I really want to get to that 20 or 30 order goal to get the extra bonus money doing this quest. Now, the way I look at this quest or quests like this is to get people to take these garbage orders. You get rewarded for taking trash. That's basically all it is. You're getting rewarded for taking trash. And that's how they get people to take these garbage orders. I mean, that's just what it is. I mean, I'm not mad about it. Because if I had the time, you can only work Uber for 12 hours at a time. Then you got to take a break. And then you can work it for another 12. And you can work it for another 12. So let's say you did 3 12-hour shifts, right? That's roughly 36 hours. And if you're getting 2 orders an hour, that's 72 orders. So it is conceivable that you could get to 80 if you really wanted to work that many hours and take every order that you see on the app. But for me, I could be a little bit more picky because all I need is 10 orders today. Now tomorrow I'm going to try to get over that 10 so that way Sunday I don't have to drive as much to get the bonus. And if I want to complete the rest of my Uber deliveries, now to me it's worth it doing these mixed quests where it's ride share and food delivery or deliveries in general with Uber. I think it's worth it. But you have to pick your quest before Thursday at midnight. Once the clock strikes midnight, if you haven't picked a quest, then you're done. You can't do a quest this weekend. And I think that's what the mile is going to be moving forward, is you get to pick the quest that you want to do for these particular quests. And the one I chose was 20. And if I do extra 10, then that's 30. I'll get even more money, but we'll see how this type of quest works. But this is Michael Anthony Fitness. I'm going to run into Chipotle, pick up my $2 delivery, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, Saturday, for the next part of this quest that they're having all weekend from Friday at 4 a.m. to Monday at 4 a.m. And I'll catch up with y'all soon because I'm gone like Mr. Vontae Davis. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Big flex, my swole up. Double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up. What's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up. Hard body, they fold up. Shawty say I done glowed up. Double text on my phone up. Fuck with your boy, I'm the man of the year. I'm not a fan of your peers. Serve him a fade, I'ma hand him the shears. He not the man of your peers.